Hi guys, it's Russell from Cafe Solutions, and today I want to talk to you about Isotop tabletops. Isotop is a compressed wooden tabletop with a laminated finish, and we wanted to simulate how it's going to survive in Australia's harsh weather conditions. These are waterproof and they are also UV treated. So let's boil one up so that we can speed up the process and find out how they're going to survive. However, this is not going to fit in my pot, so I'm going to have to cut it. Okay, we're back. I've got more manageable pieces now so that we can pop it in the pot. I've been told by the manufacturers that for every hour we boil it at 100% humidity and at 100 degrees, that's the simulation for 1 year. So we're going to boil this for 3 hours today and have a look what it's going to look like after 3 years in harsh conditions. Okay, we'll bring that to the boil and I'll see you in 3 hours. Okay, we're about an hour and a half in. Let's have a look, see how it's boiling. As you can see, that is really bubbling away. So let's check back in another hour and a half and check the results. Okay, we're back. 3 hours has passed. Let's have a look at our tabletop pieces. Now these are very hot, so don't try this at home. As you can see, after being in boiling water for 3 hours, the laminate is still intact, the edge is still good, there is no swelling. There's both edges. So I would say after 3 years in Australian weather conditions, Isotop tabletops are going to hold up really well. Thank you for watching the third episode in Behind the Scenes at Cafe Solutions, and don't forget to subscribe.